Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how to buy a duplex and live cheaper. Buying a duplex can be a smart way to reduce your housing cost because a duplex is one property with two separate living units. The basic idea is simple. You live in one unit and rent out the other. Then the rent from the second unit can help cover part of your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. At first, many people think buying a home means paying the full monthly cost alone. But with a duplex, the tenant helps pay part of the property cost. This is sometimes called house hacking, because you use rental income to lower your own out-of-pocket housing expense while also building equity in real estate. For example, if your mortgage payment is $2,200 per month and the rent from the other unit is $1,300, your effective housing cost becomes much lower. After adding taxes, insurance, and maintenance of about $300, your real monthly housing cost may be around $1,200. So instead of paying the full mortgage alone, rental income helps reduce the pressure. However, before buying a duplex, you need to follow the right steps. First, check your budget and credit score. This helps you understand how much you can afford and whether your monthly payment will be realistic. Next, get pre-approved for a loan so you know your buying limit before searching for properties. After that, look for a duplex in a good rental area. A good location matters because tenants usually prefer places close to work, transport, schools, shops, and basic services. Then estimate the rent and expenses carefully. Do not only look at the rent. You should also count mortgage payments, down payment, closing costs, repairs, insurance, property taxes, vacancy risk, maintenance, and utilities if they are shared. Once the numbers make sense, you can buy the duplex and move into one side. In many cases, if you live in one unit, lenders may treat the property as owner-occupied financing. That can sometimes mean lower down payment requirements and better loan terms compared to buying a pure investment property. Still, buying a duplex is not risk-free. You are not just a homeowner, you are also becoming a landlord. Tenant issues can happen, repairs can be costly, and vacancies can reduce your income. Local landlord rules and lease laws also matter. If your cash flow is too tight, even one unexpected repair or one empty month can create financial stress. That is why planning is very important. To make it work, choose a safe and rentable area, screen tenants carefully, keep an emergency fund, run the numbers before buying, and budget for repairs. A good tenant and a strong cash reserve can make the difference between a smart investment and a stressful mistake. In simple words, buying a duplex and living in one unit can help you live cheaper because the rent from the other unit helps cover the property cost. But success depends on good numbers, good tenants, and good planning. It is not just about buying any duplex. It is about buying the right duplex with realistic income and expenses. This video is for general educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, mortgage, or real estate advice. Loan terms, rents, and housing costs vary by market and borrower profile, so always speak with qualified professionals before making a property decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.